Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to have a look at Rhino Linux. Rhino Linux is a Linux distribution that is based on Ubuntu, but it is a rolling release distribution. Ubuntu is point release, but Rhino Linux is rolling release. Let's move over to their website, rhinolinux.org. This is their website, Ubuntu based rolling release. So Rhino Linux reinvents the Ubuntu experience as a rolling release. So it diverges from the traditional Ubuntu. It is not derived from any LTS or interim releases, but it is dependent on Ubuntu's Devel branch, which is also a rolling release distribution. And then there is Packstall, which is the AUR for Ubuntu, and that gives you the most up-to-date software. Because Rhino Linux being a rolling release distribution, if the software is not up to date, then what is the point of having a rolling release? So they have Packstall, which gives you the most up-to-date software. And now if you want to download and use Rhino Linux, you can click the download button, which is available here, here and here. Rhino Linux 2026.1 is actually out, so let me click any one of those and that will take me here. And we have generic ISO x86_64, and we also have a version for ARM PC. So if I go here and let's just expand it here, you have two versions, Unicorn, which is the standard version, and then Lomiri, which comes with the Lomiri desktop environment, we can call it, which is Lomiri, the desktop environment that comes with the Lomiri edition. It can be used in your PC as well as in your mobile phones. It's an extended, or it's a fork of the Unity 8, which was used by Ubuntu in Ubuntu Touch. So that is the ISO that I have downloaded, the Lomiri version. So if I click on download, it will be downloaded. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. We are going to see how good that is in a virtual machine. So let's move over to the fourth workspace where you open Word Manager, Word-Manager, and let's go to the top left corner and click here to open and create a new virtual machine. Local install media, since the ISO has already been downloaded, let's go forward. Let's go to browse, go to my ISOs directory and choose Rhino Linux Lomiri. I have both the standard Rhino Linux as well as the Lomiri edition. We are going to select the Lomiri edition and choose volume. It doesn't detect. Let's type Rhino Linux. It's not going to be there. So let's choose generic Linux 2024. Let's go forward. For memory, I'm going to give it around 6 gigabytes of RAM and 3 of my CPU cores. Let's go forward, and for storage, I'm going to click on select or create custom storage. Go to manage. Go to the VMs directory where I keep all my virtual machines and click the plus icon to create a new volume. Let's name it Rhino-Lomiri and give it around 50 gigabytes of storage. And let's click finish so that the storage volume will be created. So here we go. The storage volume has been created and allocated. It has been selected. Let's choose that volume. Let's go forward. Let's name the virtual machine as Rhino-Lomiri. And if you want to do any further customizations, you can check this box. Otherwise, just click on finish so that the virtual machine gets started. So booting Rhino Linux live disk in 2 seconds. We don't have any other options. Okay, so there seems to be some error messages, but I don't think it will matter that much. Okay, this screen is filled with error messages. I am a little bit doubtful whether we will be booting into Rhino Linux. So I don't think it will actually boot. So I don't think the Lomiri edition is going to boot because I've already booted the normal Rhino Linux edition. So my opinion would be, if you are doing it in a virtual machine, kindly avoid it. I don't know how it will work in a real machine. I have to test it in my laptop when I get some time. But as of now, we have to abort this installation. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to stop this video here, right here. And maybe in the next video, we will be doing one on the normal version of Rhino Linux. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I don't have anything else to say. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.